Murder case in a deadly Madison County home invasion continues to slowly move through the court system.
Jordan Morgan was gunned down in her family's home back in February of 2022. Her father was also shot several times. The suspect, Shannon Gilday, has previously been found competent to stand trial, but now a judge has to figure out if he's eligible for the death penalty if convicted based on a diagnosis of schizophrenia.
WKYT's Kelsey Soto was in court. She has the very latest from the case.
Experts are testifying about Shannon Gilday's medical records and mental health history, offering up their opinions on whether or not he was schizophrenic at the time of the alleged crime. Meanwhile, the past is all Jordan Morgan's family has left of her.
We want her to be remembered, and she deserves to be remembered. She was a life, and this is not just about who killed her. This is about a life, and that she needs to be remembered.
A judge will have to rule on whether or not Gilday is eligible for the death penalty. This case has already seen numerous delays. A trial should have started in May, but was once again pushed back.
We are going close to 4 years. And by the time we get to the trial, it would be closer to 5 years. Now, I think that's ridiculous. I don't think there's anyone out there that wouldn't say that, you know, there's no way you can conduct a real good, a decent judicial system by taking 4 or 5 years. But this is typical across the country.
Jordan's father, Wesley, was there the night of the home invasion and says time heals most wounds, yet some remain.
He shot me 3 times. You know, we won't talk about his mental, acuity or whatever you call it, but at the same time, I'm sitting in here shot on the pieces. Nobody gives a real rat's butt about how I feel about that.
As a former lawmaker, is this an opportunity for your former colleagues to maybe look at some of these and say, hey, we can make changes?
Well, you know, I was on the Judiciary Committee in the House of Representatives. And one thing they could count on me, that I was always pro-law enforcement.
Jordan's army will continue their fight and remain hopeful they will eventually see justice. In Madison County, Kelsey Soto, WKYT.
Well, in the wake of this afternoon's closing arguments, the judge told both the prosecution and defense they must submit their post-hearing briefs by August 15th. A status hearing has been set for October 3rd.